They say love yourself, but no one tells you how. Self-love isn't selfish, it's choosing yourself, even when it feels uncomfortable. Self-love is quiet. It's how you speak to yourself in silence. It's rest without guilt, it's letting go without losing yourself. Why does it matter? Because when you love yourself, you stop begging for scraps. You stop proving your worth, you start becoming whole. How to start loving yourself again. Step 1. Speak kindly to yourself. Replace "I'm not enough" with "I'm learning, I'm healing." Step 2. Set boundaries that honor your peace. Saying no isn't rejection, it's protection. Step 3. Nurture your body and mind. Eat well, sleep enough, breathe deep. You are worth the care you give to others. Step 4. Reconnect with your inner child. Do something soft, silly, or creative just because it feels good. You don't need to be perfect to be worthy. You've always been enough, even when you forgot. Self-love doesn't happen overnight, but every gentle choice is a return to yourself. You are worth coming home to.